Horror Mastery up for you guys.
He's dead.
Alright, I don't have an interrupt up. Oh yeah, I do. I have one. There. I got.
Spread out.
Ignore chain line. I interrupted that
I'll
one
get the
too.
next one. Shh, stop talking.
There's a
I got that one.
When he goes up in the air, heal whoever he's targeting. It's
Yeah, I got him
damage, but it's
focused.
healable.
I got him focused.
I'll get the next one.
I can't get this one. I can get the one after this.
Alright, Maro, get the next one.
Okay, get ready. He's about to go up in the air. At 70%
Back
is
out?
when he did it last time.
If we have plenty of time, we can just back out and wait for.
I can't get this.
Get out, out.
DBL move. DBL move. DBL move.
He's fine, dude, chill.
Don't worry.
I'm gonna fly up right now.
I interrupted
I got that one. Oh. Alright, well there's the
Get out,
Fly
out.
out. It's on lip.
It's on lip.
He's chasing me.
That's good.
I'm pulling him away from the raid.
DPS him.
It's on me.
Keep DPS and
spread
then once
out in
he's
a
on you, he's on stat.
He's immune to taunts.
He's on wrong.
He's on height.
He's on stench. He's going after stench.
No, he's not.
It's coming down.
Okay, he's landing.
Interrupt.
I can get the next one.
Alright, get the next one now.
Horror Mastery in 10 seconds.
Haas, can you get the next one?
Yeah.
Can someone call 35%?
Got
I'll
it.
get the next one.
I'll get the next one. I got that. Try to get the next one.
I'm gonna Horror Mastery at 35.
Maro, next one, if you can.
No, I can't. 4 seconds. I can get the next one.
Alright, good.
Prod got it.
Alright, get
Overload.
out.
Get out.
Run,
Fuck,
run,
I used
run.
it. I used counter spell on that.
Ah, fuck.
Fuck.
I tried. No, we can't.
Oh, I thought that was
is not
Slipper
up.
who died.
I got that. Wait for the lightning roll. Right now, interrupt that.
I can't get it. I can get the next one.
Alright. I'm waiting for the next lightning roll. Chain lightning isn't nearly as bad.
I got that one.
Run. Can you
Please
manage
blow it out.
He's gonna target me first, so I'm gonna pull him away from
He's
the
on
raid.
lip.
I'm pulling him away from the raid.
Stench.
Don't worry about healing me really much.
You got innervate. You got innervate.
Survive it.
Sorry, Kralos, you moved with me. I didn't mean to.
No, it's fine, dude. It's fine. We're fine.
He's landing.
He's
For the next
landing.
overload.
I can get the next
I'll
one.
get the next. Oh, I got that.
Get ready for
I
overload.
just did.
Same death. 2.
I got him.
And
There we
Good
go.
job, you guys.
Good job, guys.
oh fuck! I forgot to use my flash.